So for class 9 ICSE syllabus, exercise 5D la factorization. Factorize question number 11. Here we are using the formula a cube minus b cube equal to a minus b, a square. Inside minus means here plus ab plus b square. So this is identity for minus. Identity for plus means a cube plus b cube enna a minus b. Here minus means inside plus a square plus ab plus b squared. Now this can be written as 2a by 3 the whole cube, because 2 into 2 into 2 8. 27 can be written as 3 cube. Then minus b cube by 8 is 2 cube. So b by 2 the whole cube. So what is a? This is a and this one is b. So using this identity a plus b, then a squared. So a plus b. Here you are using the identity this one. Then b by 2. Next a squared. So 2a by 3 the whole squared, a squared. Here minus means inside plus. Inga minus na inga plus. ab. a b. What is b? b by 2. Then plus b squared. b by 2 the whole squared. So equal to 2a by 3 minus b by 2, then 4a squared by 9 plus this 2 to cancel. So ab by 3 plus b squared by 4. Now factorize a power 6 minus b power 6. Here using the identity this one. This can be written as a squared whole cube now factorize is a power 6 minus b cube. இது எப்படி எழுதிக்கணும்னா a cube whole square minus b cube whole square. 3 2s are 6. So a squared minus b squared formula a plus b into a minus b. What is a? This. So a plus b, then a minus b. So purely these identities. So a cube plus b cube, a plus b, a squared. Here plus means minus ab plus b squared. Then next one a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a squared, minus means plus ab plus b squared. Now question number 13. a power 6 minus 7a power 6. You can write in the quadratic form. When you write this as quadratic form, a cube whole squared minus 7a cube minus 8. So this is in quadratic form, squared. So we can factorize like this, isn't it? So multiply panna minus 8, then minus 7. So minus 8 plus 1. Minus 8 plus 1 minus 7 multiply panna minus 8. So equal to a cube minus 8a cube plus 1a cube. Or you can write 1 and 8 here, anyway you can write. இங்கே தான் 8 எழுதணும் அப்படியெல்லாம் இல்லை. Equal to you take இங்கே cube இருக்குது, இங்கே என்ன இருக்குது ஸ்கொயர் இல்லையா, இங்கே வந்து ஸ்கொயர். So you can take a cube common. So another a cube inside. Squared, one a cube we have taken outside. So a cube minus 8. Here you can take 1 common. So a cube minus 8. So equal to a cube minus 8 common. So a cube minus 8 take outside. A cube plus 1. A cube plus 1. And this can be written as a cube minus 2 cube. 2 into 2 into 2, 8. Then a cube plus 1 cube. So further you are applying the identity a cube minus b cube, a cube plus b cube. So a plus a minus b, then a squared minus means plus, plus ab, then plus b squared. Then another one a cube plus 1 cube. So a plus b, then a squared plus means minus, minus ab plus b square. So simplify a minus 2 a square plus 2a plus 4, then a plus 1 a squared minus a plus 1. Now question number 14, factorize this. Here you can take a cube minus b cube formula. So a cube minus 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3, 27. So 3b the whole cube plus here you can take b squared a 1a 1b, then 2 table 2ab you can take outside, 2ab common. So another a inside, then here 3 table minus 3b, b squared you have taken 1b outside, so 3 also here, 2 into 3 6. So now you apply the formula a cube minus b cube. So a minus b, a minus b, a minus b, then a squared minus means here plus ab, a b plus b squared, 9b squared. When you make the square it is 9b squared, then 2ab a minus 3b. Here a minus 3b common, a minus 3b common. So take a minus 3b outside. So a squared plus 3ab plus 9b squared, then plus 2ab, right? Now you can add this and this. So a minus 3b, a squared plus 5ab plus 9b squared.